Hi. Tristan Fish.
And Eric Knight with something a little new in today's episode.
Strangely and the trade involving Philly and Detroit, the Ronnie Brown for Jerome Harrison and 7th round pick deal has been avoided.
It really doesn't affect either team, it was the bodies trade.
I feel the same way because what was Philly going to do with a 7th round pick? And Jerome Harrison was going to play Ronnie Brown role anyway. Meaning 1 or 2 touches a game.
I was going to say the same thing. I suppose this hurts Detroit slightly because Ronnie Brown would have been somewhat useful for them.
Until next year when Mikkel Lesher comes back. Anyway, so that's just that, the deal is off folks. Detroit fans, I am sorry.
As am I. Well, that's about all our dialogue lines.
Well then, I'm Tristan Fish.
And I'm Eric Knight on Sports Talk with Fast Food. Good night.